Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this quick and informative tutorial, I will show you the different ways to create Part Design Subtractive Primitive Groove tool in FreeCAD. You also learn the several ways to create a groove with this Part Design tool. This Part Design Subtractive Primitive is called Groove. The Groove tool revolves a selected sketch or profile about a given axis, cutting out material from the support. In the left side, you see a sketch and a rotation axis to cut out part of the 3D object. In the following picture, you find the several ways to invoke Additive tool and the steps to create subtractive primitives. Select the sketch and then press the Groove button. The second option is from Part Design menu. And then set the groove parameters. Similar to other subtractive primitives, here you can set the groove type, the axis, and other parameters. Type offers 5 different ways of specifying the angle of the groove. And axis specifies the axis of the groove. Types of axis are vertical, horizontal, construction line, base, and reference axis. The next parameter is angle. Angle defines the angle of the groove. Symmetric to plane, extend the groove half to other side of the sketch or face. The reversed parameter reverses the direction of the groove. In this example, I will show you how to create a circular groove around a shaft. Create a new sketch for the profile and choose the YZ plane. Select the sketch and then the Groove tool. Change the rotation axis from vertical to horizontal, Y-axis. Now, we create an inner groove about the existing solid axis. Create again a new sketch for the profile and choose the YZ plane. Create radian, Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Select the sketch and then the Groove tool. Change again the rotation axis from vertical to horizontal, y-axis. In this example, I will show you how to create a groove around a customer axis. I have already supporting solid object. Now I will create two sketches on XZ plane. 1. Sketch to revolve, and 2. Customer axis. Change construction line types to standard line types. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Create Customer Reference Axis sketch. Activate View Section tool. Now, we have two sketches and one supporting solid object. Here, you see all components in wireframe modus. First select the sketch to revolve and then the Groove tool. The sketch automatically rotated around the vertical axis. Now, change the vertical axis to reference axis. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In this example, I will show you how to modify the outer side of the cylinder by using the Groove tool. We have a cylinder as supporting object and a sketch to revolve. First, select the Sketch to Revolve and then press the Groove tool. Create a fillet. Now, use the Thickness tool to create a kind of bottle. The next example is about symmetric to plane and reversed. As you see, I created already a supporting solid object, a sketch to revolve, and a sketch as reference axis. Select again the Sketch to Revolve, and then press the Groove tool. Change the vertical axis to reference axis. Now you can change the shape of the groove by changing the parameters such as angle, symmetry plane, and reversed. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD tools. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.